everybody. Surprise! It's me again, Miss Street from Glenwood. I am here to talk to you about first grade again, and we are going to be practicing fact fluency 0 to 10. And I just want you to know all the videos I've been doing, especially for K1, deals a lot with the base 10 because it's all about that bass, no treble. So it is all about that bass. So over this period of time in spring break, we want you guys to be practicing your fluency through 10 so you have a good understanding of what base 10 means, okay? So today we're gonna practice with a game. Oh, I wanted to start some subitizing. My bad. Hold on, I got this. Watch me, ooh, watch me. We're gonna practice subitizing with first graders, because first graders, you can subitize too. That's a true story. You want to play the song while we do it? I don't know. You think I should? Okay. I mean, it's kind of hard. Here we go. Oh, Jesse's watching Power Rangers downstairs. So if it gets a little crazy, just know we're go-go samurai it down here. Okay, are you ready? First grade. Let me get my board ready. All right. No peeking. 9. Woo! What'd you see? You saw 5 and 4. That makes 9. That's right. Hang on a minute. I want to hear that song again. Oh, it's going to play again. Yay! Chubby Checkers loves me. Here we go. You saw 4 and 5? Yes, Miss Millwood. All about that bass. You saw 4 and a 5 differently? What? That's 9? We've seen 9 several different ways, haven't we? My finger's not making a Dear me. Here it goes. That was 4 and 5. That was 9 again. 2 is a different way. Did you see it? It was 1 and 1, and then there it was 2. I know, right? It's true. 5! All right. Woohoo, that was fun. So first graders, you too should be practicing your subitizing. And if you need a link to have some subitizing cards for your tablet or whatever, because you don't have any, that's fine. You can subitize with dice, which Miss Street doesn't have, and I'm getting ready to explain that when I explain this game. So you can subitize, you can make your own cards, or you can subitize, like I said, with dice. You can subitize with playing cards, like Miss Crystal showed us on Tuesday when she did a math lesson. So just let me give you a little background about this number line game, okay? You know, I'm at home, and essentially here at home, I do not have any dice. If I do have dice, I don't know where they are. I mean, I looked around. I don't know. So then I thought, you know what? I'll do what Miss Crystal did, and I'll use playing cards, okay? And so then I went to Zeb's bedroom, and I found our set of playing cards, the set that he got for Christmas. Obviously, we haven't played it yet, because let me tell you, this is going to make you laugh, okay? So I'm thinking this is just a regular set of playing cards, everybody. Because I was like, I'm going to pull out all the face cards that are 0 to 5, just like we would need for our dice, okay? So this game evidently is called Pinocchio. I don't even know. But all these cards are aces, kings, queens, 10s, jacks, and 9s. Ain't no number cards up in here less than 9. So I was like, what? What does this even mean? So earlier I was trying to Google what pinochle meant, pinnacle, to play the game, because obviously I mean, that's all the cards we got, so that's what we're going to have to play. Anyway, you got to do with what you got. So what did Miss Street do? She used her resources. And I just made some subitizing cards. So we're going to play by drawing a card. It's the best I could do, people. Okay. So then I want to show you our number line. This is a vertical number line. And I wanted to talk about this because yesterday when I did the double number line, when we had the picnic problem, I did it like this. I did it horizontally, but we also need to look at vertical lines, number lines vertically, okay? Because we can see, that helps our kids to see what is more and what is less. So that's why we like to play the number line game. I can link materials for this game, but look guys, I just made this. I don't have any dice, so I just made subitizing cards 1 through 5. That's all you need. And then, again, I'm using my fruit chews. It's good that if for one team, if you have 5 of one color and 5 of another. So on this side, I have red and orange. And then on this side, I have 5 of one color and 5 of another, purple and yellow. So, and our little counters are starting by the 0. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pull a card. Pick a card, any card. I don't know. And I drew a 2. So I'm going to take my reds and I'm going to go up. So I have a counter on 0. So I'm going to go 1, 2. The goal is whoever gets to 10 first without going over. For those of you who like to make up your own rules sometimes, just saying. I know how you are. Okay. So I'm up to 3, but now it's the other person's turn to play. So I'm going to put that 2 back in. I'm going to shuffle, 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 shuffle. And we're going to pick a card. If we had die, that would be a little bit more fun. But listen, like I said, you got to do with what you got. Right, people? That's right. That's how we roll here in McDowell County Schools. Here we go. Pew. What does this person get to do? They get to go 5. So I'm going to start with my yellow. So I'm going to go 0, 1, 2. Dagnabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is closer to 5? This team, that can be Melissa's team or Zeb's team. Who's closest to 5? Zeb's team. Some other questions I want to ask are, how far away is Melissa from winning? How can we figure that out? Anybody want to comment? I see you're counting. Here we go. Let's see. How would we figure that out? How far away is Miss Street from 10? Yes, we could count down from 10, or we could go up from 3. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Miss Street messed up there. That's okay. I'm going to take a minute, and I'm going to draw a card. Let's see. Bing. What'd I get? 3. So I get to move up 3, and I'm going to move with my reds. 1, 2, 3. What happened there? We're even Steven, right? So here's Zeb's turn. I'm making this up. 4. All right, here we go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. He needs 1 more to get 10. Because we have to remember that 0 has a value. I think I'm supposed to leave my marker on. Okay, guys, this is Miss Street having a moment. So I'm supposed to have my marker start here, which I don't have one, but I'm having a moment. Yes, my face is flushed just a smidgen. But, so you put your marker, like if you were, I'm sorry, hold on, give me a sec. We'll just use a Pop-Tart bite, because that's what I had. So here this person starts at 0, and this person starts at 0. There we go. Miss Street left out a point. So sorry, people. Okay, so Zeb made it all the way to 10, and he wins the game. How far away was Miss Street from winning? Can you see? She had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't that interesting? Because a lot of times we think, well, from 7 to 10 is just 3. Do you see how that makes you think? And it made Miss Street think too. That's why practicing this number line game is very important. So, because you can't leave out 0 and your place value, right? Say yes, because it's true. Girl, you know it's true. Boys, you know it's true. All right, so I wanted to show you that. I am going to put questions that you can ask for this game to make it even harder, such as, what number do you want to roll next? Why? Well, duh, so I can win. Or what number do you not want to roll? Because if you go over 10, you can't move. It has to be exactly to 10. If your partner rolls a 7 and she rolls a 4, she says she wins, how do you respond? Well, she can't roll a 7 because we only have 0 through 5. But let's say she says she rolled a 5 and a 5 and she wins. How would you respond? I want you to comment in the comment section, but I also want you to remember what Miss Street just showed you. That was a teachable moment, because a lot of times we say 7 plus 3 is 10, but listen, I still have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to roll a 4 in order to get to 10. Do you see that? That's important for our first graders to know and understand. So I'm so glad I got to have this teachable moment with you, even though I flushed just a smidgen. And I would also like to link some things from Ready Rosie. If you are linked with Ready Rosie, you can watch it. And I'm very glad that I got to have this moment with you. If you have any questions, let me know, because I know there was a little confusion right there. But hey, like I said, we learn from this, people. That's how great learners learn. And if I know you out there watching, you are a fantastic student and a great learner and a wonderful parent. And I'll send the rules to the game too in a link. That way we'll all be on the same page. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later for 3rd grade.